Now then, YouTube, welcome to the Hoodie Auto Care channel. Now, some of you are probably sat there thinking, Hoodie, what is inside that box? Well, sit tight. Now, it's not rocket science, obviously. It's from the guys down at JennyChem. Now, I've noticed in my videos, a lot of you haven't even heard of JennyChem. This video isn't sponsored. Now, with that in mind, I thought, I know, I'll get one of the little bundles and show all of you. Right then, no messing about. Let's get ripped in. Now, what's inside this box cost a whopping £35. Nice and cheap. We've just clocked into September, so we all want those cheap products. Super Clean 101, a multi-purpose cleaner. The Citrus Blast pre-wash. Now, we've all seen this in the videos, amazing stuff. Cola shampoo. Gotta give that a quick whiff. Oh. We'll have a play with that at some point. Iron X Fallout Remover. Now that's the stuff what turns purple, gets everyone hard. You know it is. Super Cold Wax. Protective rinse aid for paintwork with a high gloss enhancing finish. And a wash mitt. Now I don't know about you, but for 35 quid for all of this, it's a bargain. Now the plan is to go through each one of these products, show you guys at home how good they are. Now I'm going to start off with the Citrus Pre-Wash. Now, I know we've all seen it in the videos, but I'm just going to have a run through, just dedicate this video to this product, and then from now on, I'll do an episode on each one of the products. So all of you haven't got to sit through a full video, just in case you wanted to see how the shampoo was or how the Iron Fallout works. So let's get it. Citrus Pre-Wash. Now then, Citrus Blast Pre-Wash. Directions of use. Ensure the vehicle surface is cool to the touch. Do not use it in direct sunlight. Pour the diluted solution into a spray bottle or low pressure sprayer. Get yourself one of these or any other brand, whatever. Spray generously onto the exterior surface, prioritizing areas with the most dirt or stains. Allow the product to sit for 3 to 5 minutes as the citrus agents start breaking down, lifting the dirt and grime away from the vehicle surface. For areas with more stubborn dirt or stains, lightly agitate with a soft wash mitt or sponge. Don't use sponges around here. Using straight line motions to avoid creating swirl marks. Thoroughly rinse off the vehicle with a high pressure washer or hose, ensuring all the product is removed. Gently dry your vehicle using a microfiber drying towel to prevent water spots. Right, so it's pretty much dumbed down. You can't mess it up. Dilution information, regular cleaning. Mix 1 part pre-wash with 10 parts water. So that's 10 to 1. So dumb that down. That's 1,000 milliliters of water to 100 milliliters of product. Or you can use a heavy soiling formula. Mix 1 part pre-wash with 5 parts water. So that's 500 ml of water to 1 part of product. Nice. So we'll get a litre of water in our spray cannon. And there you go. And 100 ml of citrus. Now this is a 1 litre bottle, so you will get 10 car cleans out of this if you use 100 ml each time. Get that in there. And there you have it, pre-wash ready. Now there's quite a few bug splats on the front of the car, so it will be nice to see if this 10 to 1 mix gets them off. Let's get some product on, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. You see it starting to work its way into those bug splats. Right then, let's add 5 minutes, let's get it off. See how it's doing. Let's try it on that lower valance. That's just mainly dust. As you can see, that has done an absolute mint job. And don't forget, this pre-wash is diluted down at 10 to 1. You can make it even stronger if you wish. Now, seeing what it can do to bugs and grime. Bit of road dust not be an issue. Get that on, that's an heavy. Don't be shy, get it on. Now you can see straight away it's just ripping off that dirt. It's good stuff. It's good stuff, everyone. Normally what I'd do, I'd cover the lower half of the car and then get your snow foam on top. Then you can let it sit and dwell for a little bit longer. It just gives it a little bit more time to do its job. Alright, that's had its 5 minutes. Start off in this corner. Look at that. It's a windy one. That'll do us. Just in time for the rain. Fucking hell. Now then. So, JennyChem Citrus Pre-Wash. I'll be completely honest, I absolutely love this stuff. Especially with winter coming up. I know for a fact I'm going to be using this product. And for the value, I'm more than happy with that. So tell me in the comments, what do you think? Would you use Citrus Blast Pre-Wash? Now if you enjoyed this sort of thing, drop a like and subscribe, because we've got plenty more products to come. And comment which product you'd like me to do next. Catch you in the next one.